In the last video, we covered 5 signs your brain is quietly working against you. If you watched that and thought, great, now what do I do about it? This is the follow-up. Same 5 signs, but this time, a specific fix for each one. The fix for decision fatigue isn't making better decisions. It's making fewer of them. Reduce the number of small choices in your day by turning repeated decisions into fixed routines. Eat the same few breakfasts, lay out your clothes the night before, block a fixed time for email instead of deciding when to check it. You're not being boring. You're saving your mental battery for the decisions that actually matter. Since procrastination comes from your brain predicting discomfort, the fix is to shrink the first step until it's too small to resist. Not write the report. Open the document and write 1 sentence. Your brain resists big, vague efforts, but rarely resists 2 minutes. Once you start, momentum does the rest. You just have to trick the starting line. You can't switch off negativity bias, but you can outweigh it deliberately. For every piece of criticism you dwell on, actively recall 3 specific things that went well. Not vague praise, specific wins. Writing them down matters more than thinking them. Your brain treats written memory as more real than a passing thought. This doesn't erase the bias. It just stops it from running the whole show. If your brain is running a background threat scan, the fix is giving it less raw material to scan. That means consistent sleep, fewer chaotic inputs before bed, and short breaks where you're not consuming anything. No scrolling, no news, just quiet. This isn't about eliminating anxiety completely. It's about lowering the noise so your brain isn't scanning on overdrive all day. Closing the gap between knowing and doing isn't about learning more. It's about repeating less information more often. Pick 1 small action tied to what you already know, and repeat it in the same context for 2 weeks straight before adding anything new. Your brain builds behavior through repetition, not through understanding. Once you accept that, progress stops feeling like a mystery. None of these fixes require willpower you don't already have. They just work with how your brain actually operates instead of against it. If this and the last video helped, subscribe. Every week on Mind Loop, we break down exactly how your mind works and what to actually do about it.